pipe split and water leaked out. In fact, 2 tanks worth of water leaked out. So that's, let's call it 4,000 gallons. Things happen, and they happen today. Hey folks, welcome to Off-Grid Homesteading. Well, today we had a pipe break. It's not a simple pipe break, it's a big pipe break. We have a series of water tanks. I'll show you them. We have 3 tanks that hold 2,500 gallons each. And right now we have about 5,000 gallons worth of water on the ground, which means we have mud. And the culprit is this tank right here. Now the issue is all of these tanks are all joined together. And I have to get this fixed before I can open any other valves to possibly have water go down to our house. And I think we've drained pretty much all the water out of 2 of these tanks. First thing I need to do is move this straw bit. It's going to be heavy because it's wet and it may be frozen to the ground. Well, I can move it. What I think I'll do is cut this elbow off and cap this line completely. That means this tank won't be usable, but it will at least give me the ability to get some water in these other tanks. There's water in it.
Well, that's a good sign actually, because it means there's no leaks.
Well, there's no low pressure leaks at least.
Right. Have to be bone dry?
I need to get something to dry it off.
Okay.
Now we wait. What we're going to do is wait for Cosmo to deliver some water, and then we'll open up the valve and see if we get a leak. Hopefully we don't.
Seriously, that's enough drama for one day.
If you look, the brake started at the elbow,
Uh-huh.
which is typically where these things start. Now last night this valve was frozen. I couldn't open or close it, and it didn't seem to be that big of a deal. On the other hand, the temperature dropped down below 10 degrees again last night, and then when the ice started thawing out today, the pipe split and water leaked out. In fact, 2 tanks worth of water leaked out. So that's, let's call it 4,000 gallons. Things happen, and they happen today. The question here is whether or not our water delivery can actually make it up here to deliver water to these tanks, because this is pretty muddy. The drive itself seems to be fine. We'll see how it is down here, because water ran around the greenhouse and down this portion of the driveway. And I think we're probably okay here as well. Well, time to go give my water guy a call and see about getting 1 or 2 loads of water delivered as quickly as possible.